You're supposed to register a car 30 days after you receive the title. Wait,
I object.
You didn't.
I am suing Ms. Chapman because she basically gave me no choice but to sue her. Back in March of 2017, I purchased a 2007 Hyundai Sonata from her. And essentially, I purchased it for the amount of $2,600, which was supposed to be a gift for my son's 18th birthday. During that time, my son was having, a little bit of trouble in school, and so the car was essentially an incentive gift to help him, motivate him to get his grades up, and he did just that. Whenever we gave him the car, it kind of helped him get to a point where he was able to get his grades up, he was able to get his license, and it took him approximately 6 months to be able to do that. However, when we got to the point where we were ready to register and insure the vehicle, when we went to DMV, we were told that the title that we had in hand was invalid. Upon further research, it turns out that Ms. Chapman had pawned the title to a title loan company and never paid it off.
What do you say about that?
Well, Your Honor, first off, I would never put up a car for sale if the car was not mine. So with her saying that the car is not mine, that's not accurate. The car was mine. It was my car. I owned it, which is how she ended up receiving the title, because I put it up on Facebook. That's how the car was even able to be up for sale. I put it up on Facebook. I would never put my car up for sale on Facebook if I took out an alleged title loan, or whatever it's called, lien. I would have never done that, because I believe in karma. So why would I scam somebody? Because to me, that's scamming them.
When she went to register the title, she was told and she was shown that the title was currently being held by this other company and that a loan had been taken out on it. And until that loan was paid back, she wasn't going to be able to get that title. So she had to pay $1,100 and something, whatever she just said, $1,100 and something to get the title. So you may not have done it on purpose, but that title wasn't yours at the time. Otherwise, they would have given her the title. So what happened? Are you saying you never took out a loan?
I understand what you're saying, Your Honor. However, how does she get the title? How does she get the title? I gave it to her. I provided to her. This title loan company is communicating with her. However, when I reached out to them, they didn't provide me this alleged contract that she's able to have for you for evidence. I also asked for my ID. I also asked for something with my name on it if I took out an alleged loan, title loan. This alleged title company could not provide me anything. So at that point, I believe they were fraudulent. They had my phone number. They never called me. I never received anything from them.
Let me talk to your son, Anna. So this was purchased because, to get you to kind of get yourself together for the final year or two of school, get your grades up, and that was the incentive?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it worked, didn't it?
Yes. Basically, it was a very high motivational tool. I took it upon myself to slowly raise my grades up to where they're supposed to be, while also taking it upon myself to get a full-time job. So I was balancing work and school, as well as being on the basketball team. As the school year went on, I always told my friends, that I had a car waiting for me, and I didn't have a license at the time, but I did end up getting my license within the school year. But it was just kind of like empty promises to my friends, always, telling them, yeah, I got this car waiting for me, it's senior year, can't wait to drive, for graduation. But throughout the whole entire school year, it was just always left as empty promises, because when I graduated with a 3.5, after the graduation, I was told that I would be receiving the car, but we had to get it registered. But when that did happen, it was like a slap in the face to find out that the car was there, but I can't use it, you know, because it wasn't, you know, it didn't have a title.
The fact that she didn't reach out to me to let me know that I allegedly own this loan until almost a year after. Why would you wait that long to register a car? You're supposed to register a car 30 days after you receive the title. But you didn't wait.
I object.
You might object, but you didn't reach out to me
Like I
until
said, I've always been in constant communication with her.
You know how she communicated with
she-
me? You know how she got in touch with me? I provided her my address. I provided her my phone number. She inboxed me on Messenger. There's no way I have not failed to communicate with her. If I understand the car was for your son. If in fact, since I'm a mother as well, if it was for my kid and this happened to my kid, I wouldn't wait years later to take me to court. I volunteered all my information.
When Anna bought the car and handed you the money or whatever, transferred the money, the $2,600, she had every right to expect that when you handed her the title, it was a good title. If it isn't good, that is on you in terms of this case, not her. So that is why I am finding for the plaintiff, for the title purchase and the car storage, $1,264. Thank you.